Modern major airports all over the world are situated far outside the metropolitan areas. Safety factors and protection from noise and air pollution have priority. Munich Airport, one of the top 10 in Europe, lies 37 kilometers from the city center. By the year 2015, twice as many airline passengers as today, almost 50 million a year, are expected to use this airport. The central traffic junction in the city center, Munich's main station, can easily be reached by underground and by the S-Bahn, the suburban rapid transit railway, as well as by fast modern trains from all over Bavaria. Although they lie a good distance apart, the main station and the airport can be linked to form a unit with the help of one of the most modern transportation systems in the world. The Transrapid magnetic levitation train will join rail transport and flight in just 10 minutes, every 10 minutes. A lightning-fast connection which can function as a future model for airports and metropolises all over the world. The short journey begins on the first-tier level of the main station, above the platforms 11 and 12. Via escalators and lifts, the passengers reach the Transrapid platform situated under a glass dome. On this second level, the automatic ticket vending machines are to be found, and the counters where passengers can check in their luggage, so it can be transported separately and directly to the airport.
Wir begrüßen Sie an Bord des Transrapid.
We welcome you on board the Transrapid. Thank you for joining us today.
After leaving the main station, the magnetic levitation train enters a tunnel before reaching the Hackerbrücke. Then the route continues underground until the Landshuter Allee and re-emerges on the surface at kilometer 4 near the Olympic Stadium. In contrast to automobile, air or rail transport, the motor of the super-speed magnetic levitation train is not located in the vehicle, but in the guideway. Here, electricity generates an electromagnetic traveling field, which pulls the Transrapid in the required direction on a magnetic cushion, completely contact-free. From kilometer 7.8 on, Transrapid passes under the Munich-Landshut railway line. North of Feldmoching, the route emerges again west of the railway, and then, at kilometer 10, passes beneath the A99 in the vicinity of the Feldmoching motorway intersection. Subsequently, the guideway traverses agricultural areas at grade level and moves northeast, closely following the route of the A92. Traveling with the Transrapid Superspeed Magnetic Levitation train is like hovering on a magic carpet, quiet as a whisper and with a previously unattained degree of quiet running. And of course, no one needs to put on a safety belt. Everyone can move around freely at all times, for the maglev train is firmly attached to the guideway. During the journey, interactive displays inform the passengers of the current situation at the airport. Traveling at a speed of approximately 350 kilometers an hour, the Transrapid passes under one of the most frequented motorway routes in Europe, the A9 from Munich to Nuremberg, at kilometer 23.2. And at kilometer 27.6, the superspeed maglev train passes over the Munich-Landshut railway line. At speeds of around 200 kilometers an hour, the Transrapid maglev train can scarcely be heard. It hovers almost silently through the landscape. Its non-contact technology produces neither rolling noise nor engine noise. At higher speeds, wind noises can be heard, but even at a speed of 350 kilometers an hour, the superspeed train is still amazingly quiet. At kilometer 30.7, the magnetic levitation train crosses the river Isar. It then follows the motorway airport approach road and the suburban rapid transit railway track at ground level. The new superspeed magnetic levitation train zooms along its guideway without leaving behind any exhaust emissions or other harmful substances, neither in the vehicle itself nor along the route. At kilometer 37, the train enters a tunnel which takes it directly under the terminal area to its final destination beneath the Munich Airport Center, the airport station. The speedy traveling times of only 10 minutes and the regular service at 10-minute intervals make journey times to the airport or back to the city center easy to calculate for all airline passengers, even without a schedule. Three superspeed magnetic levitation trains will transport almost 8 million passengers to their destination every year at speeds of up to 350 kilometers an hour. A new dimension of travel for our modern mobile society. The Transrapid magnetic levitation train is an excellent product of the Deutsche Bahn, an important impetus for Bavaria as a location for industry. A product made in Germany with excellent export opportunities worldwide.